So I'll grab a text box. Here you've got a bunch of presets, or you can just choose like normal text there if you want. This baked fresh is pretty good, so I'm just gonna like so and ungroup. Right, so then I want to copy both of these now that they're ungrouped. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to put them down there. So as you can see, I'm alternating what the letters are doing. So I'm going to make sure that they're all made to be aligned to the left, just as it will make it neater later. And I'm going to start changing this. I'm going to put join me for breakfast. Now I'm going to make this that long, so then obviously because it's a longer word, but I'm going to get all 4 of those and I'm going to position them so they are, well, they already are as far left as we can have them.